So we're set up here to demonstrate a 4-panel array. We always ask the roofer that goes before us just to felt and batten as he normally would, and don't consider us, we'll work in around that. It's much easier that way. What we're going to demonstrate here is a 2x2 panel array on a tiled roof. So for a tiled roof, we always leave a 50mm space and go off an existing batten. So really we'll use a batten to space our battens off the original batten here. With a slate roof, there's no need to make this 50mm gap here, because the position of this will be directly onto that batten there, so it'll fit something like that. The reason we leave this 50mm gap here on a tiled roof is so that the tiles can sit across the batten like they should by these nibs here. It just allows them to do that. So for Solfit battens, we measure from the bottom to the top, and then when we fit them, we come from the top to the bottom. So for our batten spacings, at the moment, it's 1050 centre to centre. So these are all set at 105. The yellow ones are the double ones. They're all set at 105 spacing, centre to centre. The panels that we're using, they're 1802 wide, and this is for a 2-panel array, so the total is 3604. With the battens, you don't have to be too accurate side to side, because we'll trim the top batten off after we've put the panels on, so it can be quite flexible that way. When we lay out a roof for batten spacing, we often use something like this as a jig. You must measure centre to centre, which means top to top of the lat or bottom to bottom of the lat. The reason being that the batten thickness can change quite a lot, so you always go on that point. But this we find very handy, especially if you have a few rows to put on, it will keep you nice and accurate.